Hi everyone, welcome to the Taglog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Taglog, I will be showing you how you can recover the Zoom account password. Now to do that, you need to first open the Zoom application. Tap open that. Here on this home page, you need to tap on sign in. Tap on that. On the sign in page, you need to tap on forgot password to begin the recovery process for your Zoom account. Tap that. To reset your password, please enter your email address. So type in the email address, the correct Zoom email address of yours, and then tap on next. Once you do that, a email to the email address of yours will be sent with a link to reset your password. So you need to go and check your mail. Tap upon mail. There's the Zoom mail on top. You tap that. Zoom password reset confirmation. Here you need to tap and click here to change your password. Tap that blue box. It will direct you to this page where you will be able to provide a new password for your Zoom account. Type in the new password on the text box. Now you need to confirm the password. Type in the same password as above and then tap on save. Your password reset was successful. So this is how you can recover your Zoom account password. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Taglog YouTube channel. Thank you.